What's a retail one of those? More than you can afford, pal. This year around, I am looking for another car, and I'm coming on here to ask you guys your assistance. So I am looking in the lines of getting an FN2 Type R, a Honda Accord Type S, EK, an EG, or maybe a CRX. So guys, so I just arrived to AK Auto Express. We got the color of the car. I'm pretty much happy of how it actually looks. Guys, I just arrived to AK Auto Express. This is the S2000. I wasn't really happy how the arch actually looked because of obviously the previous owner rolling the arches. And then we do have the bumper on right now. Fakir did mention that the previous person that worked on the car wasn't kind of using the brackets correctly, so he just corrected that. We do need to maybe heat up here. I think I am getting the rear wheel today as well. He's looking a little bit rough right now, but it has to look rough before it actually becomes good. So I have been in between closing these holes, but I noticed that there are only 2 small holes. The plan is actually to flush it closed. The reason for that is these can basically screw out. So if I do want to run these, I can just add some double-sided tape, paste it back on. So I can have basically both looks. I can remove this and it will be flush. The bumper will look more cleaner as well. And then just an update on the quarter panel. Just adding some body filler just to make the line proper as well. Okay guys, so as you can see over here, he's just adding some body filler in certain areas where like kind of cracked. Like I told you, these bumpers are notoriously known for cracking.
Keep banging.
I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Because they sit very low on the road and they pick up stone chips very easily. As well as with a lip on, we drive over something and it pushes the bumper. It basically creates cracks as well. Guys, and also another reason why I'm also spraying the car is it was just like a whole lot of things that I wasn't really happy with. I don't know if you guys can see here. There's like a run over here. Obviously we're gonna sand that down and add that sprayed as well. The mirror's also being sprayed. And I think the rear bumper over there. So as you guys can see, it's just like small things that I just really wasn't happy about with this car. So that's the whole reason for me actually spraying the car, so that I can just have close to perfection before I actually start doing some other mods for it as well. As I mentioned, we're going to flush this hole closed, bumper smooth out. That's what it looks like. This is the rest of the car. Obviously the color is off because they sanded this now. This is going to go in the booth and have it sprayed. I think the door might come off and they're going to spray the inside of the door as well. This is what the rear looks like. Rear bumper also being sanded. And this is also the wheel, refurbished by Parow tires, good friend of mine, Tashrik. He also actually put me on new tires as well, because I assumed that it was actually just a puncture, but it is actually the tire that was messed up. But yeah, this is just a quick update. Tomorrow's Friday, so by tomorrow I think we'll be putting the car in the spray booth, and hopefully I can show you guys the color going onto the car as well.
Flashback.
Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see in the background, a lot of OGs or a lot of old subscribers will know that this is a friend of mine's place, AK Auto Express. They assisted us with the giveaway WRC bumper. The main reason why we are here is for the S2000. The plans for this video is actually to respray the S2000. A lot of you guys might be confused as to why I am going to do that. So this is obviously my S2000. But let me just show you guys why I actually want to spray the car over. Please do not mind the spare wheel. I did run into a little bit of a puncture with the original wheel. That is being fixed, but just to speed up the process, I thought I'll just drive this. So main reason why I plan on spraying the S2000, so I'm not quite sure if you guys can see the color between the door and the quarter panel. It's kind of off for me.
Are you sure about that?
And I'll explain to you guys why. The previous owner that had this car, his driveway was a little bit steep. So to my understanding, the door was open and the car rolled and it kind of hit this little spot over here. But I don't know if you guys can see, there's a difference here. So the car has been blended and only this section has been blended. So this pretty much is the same color and this is the same color, but just this little area has been blended.
They are blending. They are bonding.
On some occasions you can actually like kind of see the two differences. Another thing that maybe enhances it more is that an S2000 line is actually not straight this way. Once it goes here, this actually shoots out that way. So it enhances a little bit more and it should look a little bit worse. So that is pretty much the plan. And AK Auto Express, he obviously gave me kind of a good deal, but it was like pretty much last week and I didn't plan on doing this until like the future. The deal was so good and I told him, okay, let's do it on Monday, which is today. Please let me know in the comment section, should we spray the car different color, should we leave it the same color? And then please subscribe to the channel to find out if we do plan on spraying for other colors, because you guys do know that I really like red. But anyway, I'm pretty much excited for little bold series on the S2000, and I think once this is sprayed, I will be then ready to start doing some other mods, so please stay tuned for that. So there's also another reason why I do plan on spraying the car is, I don't know if you guys can see this, obviously some occasions the bumper doesn't really match metal because they're two different materials, but you can kind of see there's more of a flake here and this bumper does not have that. Obviously the bumper has been resprayed. S2000s are known for stone chip. So what ASHTON also told me is that he has clear, almost like a almost like the wrap, but more in a clear form. So he mentioned that when the stone chips does come on, that it will basically just heat up and expand and close that hole automatically on its own. So I'm excited to see that. As you guys can see, these bumpers are also known for cracking here. I am in between removing this and flushing it closed, but I also just like the style of it obviously being there. I think Japan, these are removed, and the US as well. And then I think I'm gonna flush this closed and maybe have some magnets fitted here. I'm gonna have magnets on the sink so this can just go back onto here like that, and then have it flushed obviously as well. It's a Monday now. Hopefully the car will be done soon, but I'm in no rush. I don't really need the car. This is how I'm leaving the car right now, and then maybe tomorrow or so I'll pop in and show you guys another update.
End of flashback.
Yo guys, so I'm just rushing quickly to get this new Nike, and then after that we can walk on the S2000 and show you guys an update. Hello guys, so I just arrived to AK Auto Express. We got the color of car. I'm pretty much happy of how it actually looks. And also, I just thought I'd share this with you. This is like a rubberized paint that you use on these sills over here. So I think we're going to use this on the inside of the rear wheels as well. Just for like the stones that kind of, you know, like hit against the body. And it will basically make it a little bit softer in the cockpit as well. We're going to use of this, and I think we're going to spray it black. And another thing we just picked up is that this door over here, you can actually see it. It's a little bit standing a little bit out, but the whole idea was to remove this door anyway, so we can spray the inside of the door as well. So this door is coming off completely. Ashley did say we're either going to pull this back or the door needs to push in. If it's a close here, then we obviously have to push the fender a little further out. So that's pretty much just an update on the S2000 right now. They are actually going to just cover up the roof, etc. And hopefully the car will be primed for today. Yo guys, so today is my birthday and I'm currently on a weekend away, and I thought I'd tag you guys along. So this is the place that we booked. Let me show you guys what it looks like inside. So this is the entrance. There's a cool little garden over here, and if we go inside, I dig this. This is like a cool little pit. I can already see myself and my friend chilling over here in a cool pit. It's like obviously goes down, and I can already see someone maybe sleeping here. There's a cool fireplace, small little dining area. I think you can go outside to the back over there, but I'm gonna take you guys this way. TV as well. This is the kitchen area, and then I'm gonna show you guys the rooms. I know you guys are not really interested in the rooms, but anyway, this is what the rooms look like. Each room basically has a bathroom opposite it. This is the other one. I think all the rooms you can basically go outside from the room. And I'll show you guys that area in a second. Looks very cool. And this is my room. This is obviously the master. Cool little area over here. So check out this bathroom, guys. This bathroom is insane. So like I said, each bathroom pretty much has an area for you to leave out of. So I think you can leave through here, through the shower basically, to go outside. And there's an outside shower over there. And then yeah, cool bath. And then let me show you guys the cool entertainment area. Let me just show you guys this. We have to walk through kitchen area. And then this is the entertainment area, guys. How insane is this? And then it has this, I think it's called shutter doors. So basically opens up completely. This is the one bedroom over here. Massive table, so we can feast. The little bar area over there. Fireplace. And then look how crazy this backyard is. It's very nice, guys. And then there's a hot tub over here. I think this is, you have to use the firewood so it doesn't really bubble up. That's also a cool area. I think you get pillows for that, but obviously the weather isn't as great. And then yeah, this is pretty much what the place looks like. Can't wait to obviously get this weekend started. I am the first one here, obviously. But what I am going to do right now is I'm maybe just going to have the place a little bit decorated, and then I'll show you guys that. So I'll just fast forward to that section for you guys. Yo guys, so it's recently been my birthday. However, you guys know that I do like to spoil myself every year. Like last year I got myself a Honda S2000, and the year before that I got myself a Honda EK 180i. So this year around I am looking for another car, and I'm coming on here to ask you guys your assistance. So if you do own or know of a cool car that you would like to see me own or maybe showcase on the channel, please send me a picture of the car, a detailed description. I'll leave my information on screen as well as in the description. So I am looking in the lines of getting an FN2 Type R, a Honda Accord Type S, EK, an EG, or maybe a CRX. Anything in the lines of that. So please let me know and enjoy the rest of this video.